In this video, I want to share with you 30 Mardi Gras prompts that you can use for your Merch by Amazon business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 30 Mardi Gras prompts, I just want to do a quick sales update. So as I mentioned in my last video, this has not been the best Q4 for me. November was actually pretty low compared to what I've been doing in the previous months, and December looks like it's a little better, but still not what I was expecting. But I did have a pretty good day yesterday, so $109. This was actually my first $100 day of Q4. I don't think I did any $100 days in November, first one of December, but I was doing about $100 a day almost this whole year, from about February till about October. So don't know how your guys' Q4 is going. Comment below. Let me know. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy. The link is in the description. I also post like family pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. And actually, Etsy has been pretty good compared to Amazon. You can see some pretty big days, 415, 413. This is actually a good time of the year. This is when everybody is like kind of rushing to get those last minute sales. So from about now till about the 16th, 17th, should see a big increase in sales. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So I put out a video the other day about Valentine's Day, prompts for Valentine's Day. And now that Christmas is about to be over, we got 3 big holidays coming up in the spring: Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras, and St. Patrick's Day. So here are the prompts that I have for Mardi Gras. Let's just do a quick Mardi Gras in case you don't know what Mardi Gras is. It's basically Fat Tuesday. It is a celebration that they do in New Orleans. You can kind of do a little this is in Spanish. Okay, well, basically, just do a little search on Google if you don't know what Mardi Gras is. But if you're interested in purchasing these Mardi Gras prompts, I actually have them on my PayShip shop. So you can just click on the link in my description or in the pinned comment, and you can get 30 prompts for only $3. Let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts so you can see what they actually look like. Okay, so here we are on my Ideogram page. The first one right here is "I'm just here for the king cake." This is a really good design style for any type of food niche. King cake. To be honest, I didn't even know what king cake was. I just did a Google search on it. But it's a type of dessert or food that they eat during Mardi Gras, at least from my understanding. Maybe someone knows a little bit more about it. I'm from California, so I've never really celebrated Mardi Gras. But here's the first one: "I'm just here for the king cake." Next one is "Give me beads and tell me I'm pretty." So one of the traditions that you do during Mardi Gras is that guys get beads and they will give them to girls. So right here we're going to see "Give me beads and tell me I'm pretty." These ones are the ones that I have for St. Patrick's Day, so I'll share those in the next video. But here we got Mardi Gras King, and I mentioned this a lot in my members only content, that if you just take any niche and put the word king, queen, or squad after it, it's got a pretty good chance to sell. Here we got Mardi Gras, Meowdy Gras. So this is like a cat that says meow. So it's a play on words. This one actually turned out really nice. This is my Mardi Gras shirt. So this is another design style that we've seen with so many different types of niches. Here we have Mardi Gras with my Nobies. This one also turned out really good. Ideogram does a good job with these gnomes, I've noticed. Here we have another cat one. So we're taking Mardi Gras and we're cross-niching it with cats. And we're doing play on words, kind of like this one right here and this one. So instead of Fat Tuesday, because that's what Mardi Gras translates to, it's a Cat Tuesday. So that's going to get some laughs. This is another funny one: "Don't make me go all voodoo on you," because there's a lot of voodoo that goes on in the South, from my understanding. Cruising and boozing. So this is a cruise shirt. So we're taking cruise, we're cross-niching it with Mardi Gras. Cruising and boozing. That's a pretty good one right there. It's Mardi Gras and my birthday. So I mentioned this in my last video about the Valentine's Day prompts. You can take almost any holiday and just cross niche it with birthday, and it has a pretty good chance to sell. And like I mentioned, you can also scale it and do "It's Mardi Gras and my 40th birthday, 30th birthday." Those are like the big ones. But if you want to get like really niche, you can do like the birthdays that not too many people will be uploading to, like "It's Mardi Gras and my 37th birthday" or my 61st birthday. Those kind of odd off numbers. Shut up liver, it's Mardi Gras. So this is a very famous design. Shut up liver, you're fine, but it's just taking it and doing a Mardi Gras spin on it. So shut up liver, it's Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras with the bulldog. Mardi Gras queen, that's what I was talking about with this king one right here. Just take queen, squad, or king, put it after the niche. Let's get cray cray. So I guess they eat a lot of crawfish down in the south, so let's get cray cray. That's what that one comes from. This one also turned out really nice right here. This sugar skull, like Mardi Gras theme. Here we have flamingo, cross-niching it with Mardi Gras, so it's Mardi Gras, y'all. It ain't gonna suck itself, so this is another crawdad one. Pasta, I don't even really know how to say this. Beignets, I guess it's some type of donut that they eat in the south, so pasta, I don't even know how to say it. Past the donuts, it's Mardi Gras. Thick thighs and Mardi Gras vibes. This is another popular design style, thick thighs. I saw this a lot with Thanksgiving. Mardi Gras squad. We don't hide crazy, we parade it down the street. Another cruise one, we're taking cruise, cross niche it with Mardi Gras, and then also cross niche it with the year. So it's like triple cross niche, really good one right here. Mardi Gras cruise 2025. It's Mardi Gras, y'all, with the mask. So this is French right here. Les bon temps roulé. I can actually speak a little French. My mom's French. I used to spend my summers in France in the south next to the Mont Blanc, next to Chamonix, Cordon, really nice. But basically this means let the good times roll. That's what it translates to in English. Come at me, bro. So this is funny right here. This is a really funny one. I'd probably wear something like that. So just Mardi Gras cross niche with 2025. Who's your crawdaddy? So you're seeing a lot of like crawfish ones. Who's your crawdaddy? Here's another really good one. Girls Trip New Orleans 2025. You can also do Girls Trip Mardi Gras 2025. Again, you know, these are some of my favorite niches where you're taking three niches, you know, or you're cross niche in three niches. So Girls Trip, New Orleans, and then the year 2025. Let the shenanigans begin. This is usually more with like St. Patrick's Day, but here we're using Mardi Gras instead. And here we have Mardi Gras. So, you know, T-Rex, it's up there with like aliens and video games, you know, one of the best all-time niches. You just take T-Rex, cross niche it with any other type of niche. In this instance, we're cross niching T-Rex with Mardi Gras, and it's a play on words. So instead of Mardi Gras, it's Mardi Gras, like it's growling. So that's a good one right there. And those are the 30 Mardi Gras niches or prompts that I have for you. And like I said, if you're interested, you can purchase them right over here. It's only $3, comes out to only like 10 cents a prompt. I want to thank everybody that purchased the Valentine's Day ones. Seems like people like those. And what you can do is if you click on my little face right here, it will take you to this page. Let me move that over. And you can actually shop around and take a look at all the prompts that I have. So if we go like to the Valentine's Day one, I have it in the description where if you copy and paste this YouTube link right here, you can actually see what the prompts look like. And I have that for all of them, or for the most part. So like if you want some camping prompts, gardening prompts, you can see what they look like by clicking, or you actually have to copy and paste the link. And then some other ones that might make sense. This one right here, 500 evergreen prompts. What I did is I took these 150 animal, 150 food, 100 career prompts, 100 health prompts. I basically combined them and made a bundle and put it at half price, because if you add all these up right here, it's $50, but these 500 evergreen prompts are only $24.99. And then some other ones that might make sense for the time of year. So I also have these ones for 100 trending prompts for February and for January. All right, so if you're interested, you can take a look at those. If not, it's all good. Now I do have a big announcement coming up towards the end of the year, so make sure you are subscribed and you click the bell so you get notified. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys are having a great Q4. Hope you're doing better than me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.